An important MCQ here in this paragraph is about cranial meninges and what are the three layers of cranial meninges. This is given in chapter Neural Control and Coordination. The human brain is well protected by the skull. So what is the meaning of skull? Skull is the hard portion, the bony portion of your face and head. Inside the skull, the brain is covered by cranial meninges. This is the brain. Okay. So let us come from outside. You have got hair and the hair is attached to the scalp. The scalp is attached to the skull. Inside the skull you have brain. So between the skull and the brain there are three layers, three coverings which covers the brain surface. Those are called as cranial meninges. So cranial meninges means these are the very thin coverings which covers the surface of the brain, outer surface of the brain. It is present between the skull and the brain. What are the three layers of cranial meninges? It consists of an outer layer called as dura mater. Dura means thick. This out of three layers, dura is the thickest one. A very thin middle layer called arachnoid layer and an inner which is in contact with the brain tissues called as the pia mater. So will come in order. So you have got skull. Next to skull you have dura mater, the thick one, and in next to that is the middle layer which is called as the arachnoid mater, and you have pia mater. This matter is the one which lines the surface of the brain. Dura mater will line the surface of the skull, inner surface of the skull. Pia mater will line the surface of the outer surface of the brain. In between pia and dura you have the arachnoid mater. All the three forms the cranial meninges. This is very important MCQ.